In this video, we will show you how to use the job board we have provided as one of the resources on the Iowa Public Works Service Bureau's website. To access this, go to iowapwsb.org, log yourself into the website, and go to Resources and Job Board. So, as you will see here, there are several basic categories: the job name, organization, description, contact name, contact email, contact phone. Then we have a link and an expiration date for when this particular job expires. Over here at the left, we'll start with the name of this particular position that's open. You'll notice it's the City of Webster City that is advertising for a Public Works Director. We have the contact name here, the contact email, and the phone number. Now, if you click on this link button here, you will notice it takes you to the actual job link provided by the poster for that position, and then you can complete an online application here as needed. Now, if you would like to advertise for such a position, you can select this link at the top here, and that's where you find the form to fill out. So again, job name, organization, all of the items here that have a red asterisk next to them are required. So if you don't want to give out a contact name or email, that's fine, but we do require that you give us an expiration date so we know when to take the job posting down off of our board. Click the I'm a Human button and click Submit Form, and it will be posted to our board. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our email is pwsb@iastate.edu.